Alright, this is going to be a rope strength test. This is a rope that I made from our rope machine. And we're going to test the strength of this rope. Well, just like I thought, it would snap right where it makes a sharp bend. That's always where these ropes will break. You can try to eliminate sharp bends in a rope, especially a natural fiber one. They will hold up a whole lot longer. Nylon rope, test number 1. this one looked like it broke right up the truck. But again, right where the knot is. Well, it didn't do a whole lot. It did break off one piece, it looks like. But that's one tough stump. When you own one of these, you have to start it up at least once a week, and you should drive it at least every other week, if not at least once a month. But there's other things that you need to exercise as well to make sure that everything is operating and keeps operating at peak efficiency. Every once in a while, need to exercise the hydraulics. And the hydraulics is found behind this box, next to the toolbox. Now you can either tilt the cab, lower the spare tire, or raise it, lower or raise the suspension. And this is the valve that I can would need to put it on for truck suspension, cab tilt, or spare tire. So the first thing that I recommend is taking the LMTV for a drive, get the battery all good and charged up, and then you can start working the hydraulics. And I'm going to tip the cab forward first because I've got a strap that's on the tire that I need to get off of there, and the clamp will not come forward unless the cab is forward. All right, to raise the cab, pull the pin, let the hydraulic door come down. I'm going to make sure that this selector is on cab tilt, which it is. It's straight up and down. Now you might be thinking, in order to lower the cab, tilt the cab forward, or raise the cab. Don't be confused here. You want to raise the cab forward and then lower the cab back down towards the engine. So don't get confused with that. Don't select the lower if you're trying to move the cab forward or raise it out of the way of the engine. You only select lower when you're trying to lower the cab back towards the engine. I've selected raise the cab, and I'm going to start pumping. Now that it's gotten this far, it can tilt the rest of the way on its own, just by gravity. And that's it, it's fully forward. Now that the cab is out of the way and the spare tire is uniquely exposed, so here's the strap that you have to loosen up and pull this strap off. It goes up over the tire. And then there's also a safety chain, which is right here, and that goes through the rim. So it basically holds this tire from going anywhere. So you have to take those two things and loosen them up or remove them before you can actually actuate the tire to come on down. have to put the selector on spare tire, which is the bottom selector, and the spare tire to lower.
Hey, I want to thank you for joining me on this channel, Helicool's Helipad, where great ideas take flight. I'm Dave Anderson signing out. Thank you so very much. I appreciate you. Please go ahead and like, comment, share, or even subscribe. Ring the bell if you like these videos so that you get a notification each time that I post one. Until next time, be safe and God bless.